All right, let's look at the three key details that I had chosen. The first box, I would have put a boy is worried about riding his bicycle without help. And the second one I chose was the woman lifts her hands off, so the boy is riding by himself. And the third key detail is the boy realizes he can ride the bike without help. So now let's go back to our little graphic organizer here, and let's think about what the central message is. Out of all those three key details we just talked about, what did we learn about the boy? Did we learn anything about the boy? Think about it. Now let's go to the next slide and write me a good sentence about what did the boy learn? What was the central message of this story?